Let's do a speed run and go to Discord bot with more functions within 15 minutes. So go to Discord developer portal, you can Google it. Oh, it's already open with me. New application, name the application, name the application, create. Now you can put any photo over here which you would like for a bot. Save changes. Now go to bot, add bot, yes, do it. Copy this token over here and you're done. Now close this. Go to bot designer for Discord. Create new bot. Your bot name modbot. Accept the terms of service. Create bot. Hold on, let me just delete this so that we don't get confused. Alright, so we have to add free time. Just do this. Or you can also watch a video like this. This adds 90 minutes of free time. If you want to add your bot to your server, go to server invites and then add your bot to your server. Select a server, continue, authorize. And now we are done with this part. Now let's quickly do functions in it. Let's put functions in it. If you want to see whether the Discord bot is in the server or not, I can show you that it is. So here's the bot. Now let's quickly put functions into it without wasting much time. Go to mod, go to commands, delete the sample command, command creator. Let's start with the set audit log. Set audit is the trigger. Trigger is the using trigger you can trigger the using trigger you can make the command make the command run. Set server var. Variables are values in which you variables are containers in which you can store values. So we are going to use a variable here, audit mention one, yes, and new folder, leave the folder. You can make new folder, by the way. Confirm. You also have to create a variable from here. Go to here, this variables, and click on create, and create a variable named audit. Now you have set audit. Now let's go and set it in audit channel. We also have to put a confirmation message so that we know that it's set in audit channel. Audit channel set. Let's just put it audit channel set. Let's create a new channel and set it as the audit channel. Let's do it here and make a channel called audit. Now dot set audit. We have to give permissions to the mod bot as well. So manage user, we give it permission of bot, which has the admin. Also, you also have to make a role called muted settings. Go to channel, go to roles, make a role called muted. Oh, sorry. So here it is. Make the role called muted. Allow let's remove the permissions. Send messages, no. Embed links, obviously no. Attach files, no. Install emoji, no. Add reactions, no. Message history, no. Slash commands, no. Connect, speak, no. Video, voice activity, no. Okay, so they have no permissions as of yet. Create invite, change nickname, no. Change nickname, yes. Just in case. Okay, so we have created this. So and then we go back to here. And then we go to command and create ban command. Ban mentioned user must be here. Ban mentioned user. Create command. Create. Also we have to audit it, right? So use channel, get server var, audit, mention user. To do mention, we have to write mention, and in brackets 1 comma yes has been banned. Done. Save command. We'll copy this and just use it as it is for others too. Now let's make a kick command. Kick dot kick mention user, create command, use channel get server has been kicked. Okay, so this is done now. Here saving command, unmuted also. So muted, mute dot mute. So in order to give that role, let's check what is the role. Mod. Let's create the command muted. If don't mention one, yes. Use channel. Audit. Mention one, yes. Has been muted. Save command. Now let's try them out. Dot pan emerald and it's not working for some reason, probably because emerald has the hold on, yeah, because it has admin 2. If we remove admin and then do it, then it might work. Yeah, emerald has been banned, as you can see. Emerald is not there at all, so it has been banned. So yeah, this was it. Thank you for watching till now.